new Tampa Bay Business Journal hits newsstands today, and editor Alexis Muellner is here to talk about some of the week's big stories. Good morning. Always
good morning
to see you. Hope your holiday was
Happy
great.
New Year.
Thanks, same to you. Exactly.
Exciting.
So we've been talking a lot about the fact that, retailers have had a rough go during the holiday season, but restaurant owners are like celebrating. It's been merry for them.
Well, the holiday parties during the Great Recession, they diminished. A lot of the businesses that used to go to restaurants went to catering companies. And we talked to some folks like Jason Fernandez, who has Bernini and Ybor and Carne Chop House. They were booked. It was a great year for them. And a lot of folks are having more confidence. Businesses that want to rent out restaurants, having more confidence to spend money. We also talked to the folks at Armani, which is on the 14th floor, a Northern Italian restaurant at the Grand Hyatt. They did a renovation of their terrace. That helped attract business. In general, that's a good sign that there's some confidence and loosening in the economy. And perhaps 2013, they can begin to invest in things that create jobs and do that kinds of, add that to the economy. But these kinds of signs, you'd think holiday parties, but they're barometers on the overall economy.
Let the merriment continue.
Absolutely. Keep it coming.
Yeah, we love it. Well, some Bay Area companies are already making New Year's resolutions. They're promising to use technology to make it easier to do business next year. So what are we going to see?
It's something that the Business Journal we've been covering a lot. Is how do you take this overwhelming interest in tablet technology? We talked to a law firm like Fowler White Boggs that's trying to use tablets to create one place for all their attorneys to be able to talk to each other, to allow for their clients to look and be more informed about e-discovery. The trade-off is whether or not they become too impersonal. So overall, industry, and we look at it in a grand way, but businesses are finding their way, and with the mobile technology across, you have the iPad, but there are a lot of different platforms. So they're trying to figure out how to integrate it in one form and to make business work better.
Yeah, it's trial and error at this point.
It is, and it's evolving and exciting to see. Businesses can operate very efficiently.
Absolutely. Well, some major commercial real estate deals have been pushed through in the past couple of weeks. So what's behind the rush here?
Well, $733 million worth of deals in December. It's deal-cember. Our commercial real estate reporter, Mark Holland, crunched the numbers. You'd think that that's a lot. It's a fair amount. The word is that might be the beginning, that we might see a lot more of that. Of course, a lot of things are unsure in terms of Washington, the fiscal cliff, and what happens there. But we saw Taubman, which bought out the rest of its ownership in International Plaza. It was a $437 million deal, which is a big portion of that. These are signs that there is some willingness to take cash off the sidelines and spend money on key assets that hopefully bodes well for 2013.
Absolutely. We love it.
We do.
And to read those stories and a whole lot more, be sure to pick up a Tampa Bay Business Journal. And for more business headlines, you can go to our website, abcactionnews.com/business. Thanks, Alexis. Good to see you.
Pleasure.